rock salt.
Alright.
Personally, I like rock salt. Kosher salt, the problem, well, it's actually good, yung kosher salt. Why? Kasi if you get to try the different salts, okay, this is another thing I want you guys to get into. Most of the people I know, pag kinausap mo sila about salt, wala silang pakialam. They think it's all the same, it all tastes the same. It actually is magkakaiba yan eh. And it gives, first of all, it gives off different flavors. Second, gives off different textures. For example, when I'm making pizza, when I make yung cheese na plain na pizza, I actually like to use kosher salt. Why? Kasi a plain cheese pizza, the texture's basic eh. Wala kang masyadong crunch, wala kang masyadong ganyan. So gusto ko yung kosher salt para pagka kinagat mo, may konting, para siyang rock salt. It has that crack. But the difference is, as opposed to rock salt, kosher salt tastes less. So hindi ka na aalatan, but you have the same texture as rock salt. If I'm making sinangag, I actually like kosher salt. Kasi rock salt, masarap yung rock salt, di ba? Ang problema, minsan, masyado na oo. And, you remember, you add that rock salt in the end. Para buo pa siya. Kasi if you add it from the start, by the time you're done cooking, durog na siya. So ako, I actually like kosher salt. Ngayon, iba-iba pa yan. You have your Himalayan pink salt and all of those things. You have your sea salt, you have your mineral salt. It's better if you guys get to understand those things. Kasi, in the future, it depends on the type of application you wanna add it. Yes. Walang pakela. Get into, tapos na yung sa salts, let's get into mixing your curries. Now, like what I said kanina, when you guys mix your curries, you have to understand everything. Now, looking at this, which doesn't belong to the group?
Alin?
Basil?
Alin na iba?
Chili?
Ay, hindi.
Curry, basil.
Chili.
Butter lime leaves.
You're talking about these three.
Okay.
This is a spice mix. This is not an herb.
Okay.
Second of all, if you add them together with this, medyo, by the time you cook it, mapait na yung lasa ng herb. Mapait na yung lasa ng herb.
Pasok ang pangalawang.
Kaya hindi ko ginagamit yung herbs when I do my spice mix. Kasi lalabanan sa nito, patay ka agad yung
Lasa.
flavor niya. You wanna cook that in a different
Subtle approach.
Yes, so you wanna put all your herbs together and then all your spices together.
Okay, good.
Second thing, what's another thing that's wrong? Not wrong, pero something you could do better here is that if your garlic and onions are chopped like this, you wanna make sure the rest you chop the same way. Okay, you make everything even.
Okay.
Paano mo mag-halo-halo ng pantay yan kung magkakaiba sila ng sukat?
Yes.
Diba? Ang mahirap kasi dyan, oy, naiyan. Okay. Ito simpleng-simple lang for you guys to understand.
Guys.
Pagka dinudurog ko na sila ng sama-sama, minsan yung buo, hindi ko na mababawasan yung lasa para maging pantay-pantay yung... Kasi tatandaan nyo, ang inahabol nyo lang naman dito, balanse. Ibig sabihin, balanse lang yung smell. Now, that will depend on kayo yung tipong tao na I like it a bit more spicy, or I like it a bit more pungent, or I like it a little bit more aromatic. Diba? So, doon na lang magdedepende yun. That's why merong iba-ibang averages ng mix. That's why I don't like you guys to focus on grammages. I want you guys to understand your ingredients. Okay? How they work. Okay? Now anyway, let's start it. Siyempre, you wanna add your garlic. Ako personally, garlics and onions, these are things na I like a lot. I always believe na it always produces a good base. Ibig sabihin yung... Pero another thing that I like about it is, I always make sure is, I always just use equal amounts. Pero it depends. May mga ingredient, may mga recipe that calls for a different one. Can I have salt?
Salt daw.
Ikaw na lang, salt.
Baka may salt. Marami kami spices sa salt.
May rock po. Yes, sir. Sorry, darling.
Konti lang. That's enough. You're not adding it para magkalasa or anything. You don't actually want the flavor of the salt there. You just want it to bring out all those moisture. Actually, ako, minsan, I just add my ingredients and then
Little by little.
I add my salt and then I leave it for about a good 2-3 minutes. Then,
Magpawis.
before I start whacking it down. Whacking it. Wala kayong ginger lang, yung ordinaryo.
Chef.
That's galanga.
Galaw ba?
Sorry. Akala ko ba anak sa labas yan?
Kuya ko nang anak sa labas. Chika Meres! Maraming chicken eh. Nanututukoy lang.
You need more turmeric. Can somebody get more turmeric?
Turmeric. Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Yeah. And then may nakabalat pa dyan.
Ito,
nasa yung nakabalat. May nakabalat. Wala na eh. Wala na?
Okay. Kanina sinabi ko sa inyo, spices, you guys have to sweat it a bit. Ay, you have to toast it a bit. Yung without oil and then toast it a bit on the pan. That's for it dry. For fresh, para tong para your onions and sibuyas. You want to cook it with oil a little bit. Now, here comes the thing. When you're using gata, going to Asian cuisine naman. Kasi if you're working in European cuisine, the way we cook food in European cuisine is we start with the oil and then you add your aromatics. If you have to if you have to sear something, you sear it first and then you go to the first step, which is sweating your aromatics. So, ibig sabihin ng aromatics, ano yung mga aromatics? Usually, garlic, not really herbs.
Ay, spices.
Just, your aromatics are your spices that you use fresh, like your ginger, your onion, and your garlic. That's your aromatics. So, di ba mapansin niyo lagi may igisa muna and then from there, tsaka tayo mag-umisa. But going to Asian cuisine, if you're using this for gata, it's actually more advisable to boil everything with the gata, if it's fresh, with the gata, than to sweat it at the start. Honestly, I want to explain to you why, but I really don't understand the process as well. Ang napansin ko lang, ganun nga. Pagkagata, you want to just add everything there, let it boil, hanggang makuha niya yung lasa from each ingredient, and that's the time you work with it. Pagka sinutay mo nang sama-sama yon, pag in-add mo yung coconut, hindi na masyadong lumalabas yung oil. I guess it's because of the oil. Parang nahihirapan na siyang mag-extract ng flavor as opposed to cooking it directly with the So, there. Anyway, that's been around 5 minutes. If you try to see, medyo nagtutubig na yung iba. Yeah. That's good.
Kalati ng water and tester lang.
Dalawang
Dapat yung pinagtagan din nila better. May more ba to? Sabay ganun. Yung mukhang mabigat. Ano to? Coriander.
Didikit yung sibuyas kayong malan.
Isa pa tatandaan nyo.
blender or food processor? Sino yun? Guess?
Food processor, okay lang, but you're not extracting juices pag sa food processor. You're just mixing it. I mean, you're cutting it and mixing it. Pero with this kasi, ginagawa mo, nilalabas mo. Now, here's the thing. European cuisine, the way we cook with food, you want to just bring out the flavor of all the ingredients. Kumbaga, gusto mo, pag tinikman mo yung pagkain, pag sinabi kong may marjoram yan, lasang marjoram. Pag sinabi kong may butter yan, lasang butter. Whereas Asian cuisine, we try to make flavors blend into one. Kumbaga, pagka sinabi mong kaldereta, lasang kaldereta, hindi mo na